guys, Silva here, and welcome all to my Bible Prompts Empire review. So I have another launch by Alessandro Zamboni that I will be talking about today, reviewing. Okay, this is a set of prompts for creation of Bible coloring books, Bible images. What you can do with those products is really up to you, how you will sell them. I'll make some suggestions. There are quite a few suggestions on the sales page on how to make money with them, so go check that link below my review. It's gonna take you to the sales page. Okay, I have the members area here, so we'll talk about all that it comes with, and also for those who decide this is the product for them. Well, if that's the product for you, I'm talking to you. Then I've got some splendid bonuses to complement this product nicely. Okay, what I'll give you is access to a full-blown training course on how to sell creations on Etsy. So that's your way to make money with these images, Bible coloring books. And as we know, Bible is the number one, the biggest, number one bestseller, right, in the world when it comes to selling, books, when it comes to books. So then anything related to the Bible, Bible coloring books, Bible stories, children Bible stories would be obviously very popular as well. So they do sell, and Etsy is a great marketplace for selling those. And then I'll also give you guys a few more bonuses, very high quality. Some of them will be PLR products as well on top of that. And full training courses. A lot of value here that I actually offer, that I give away here. Right, so let me show you. Alessandro Zamboni is a very, good quality vendor, so take my word for it. I have reviewed many of his products, always delivers, over delivers. Good guy, okay? Good guy, good vendor to buy products from. What can I say? Okay, now guys, here I also have the full funnel. I'll talk about the funnel after I've explained, after I've gone through the members area. Now before I do that, I just want to point out on the sales page, this is $17, so if you want to buy it, just click this add to cart, $17 for the front end. Okay, now obviously what you will get here, as they say very clearly, transparently on the sales page here, 449 Dall-e free, so the latest version of Dall-e. So if you have ChatGPT 4, which is paid, so the, what you call it, not the Pro, the Plus version of ChatGPT, right? So not the 3.5 but 4, then obviously that would give you access to Dall-e free as well. And ChatGPT Plus is for $20 a month. So you get almost 500 prompts to create outstanding Bible coloring book images. Okay, and then he also says here, it says it here, that if you don't have the paid version of ChatGPT, which gives you access to Dall-e free, then you will also get to create these coloring images, Bible coloring images with 100% free, for totally free, with Bing Chat or Bing Image Creator. So okay, and here there will be a training video inside of the members area, almost 20 minutes long, where Alessandro will show you how to use both Dall-e and the free version of Dall-e. Okay, so yeah, go check out the sales page. You will have some samples here, okay, examples of what kind of images you would create, coloring book images. And then in the members area, there will be this trick they do with Canva, with obviously free version of Canva at that, how to make it more white, so more like there is more contrast. Okay, because that's what you want for coloring books, right? And here's some suggestions on the sales page how to make money. This is Alessandro Zamboni, and here's the story of his life. very inspirational at that. Okay, he's really a fighter, great guy, okay, with a very good heart. Now, anyhow, the bonuses you also get on top of the just the front end from the vendor will be 180 ChatGPT prompts for crafting adult Bible coloring books. Adults like to do some coloring too, including myself. I mean, I end up doing the coloring. Whenever I get coloring books for my daughter, it's me doing the coloring. Ha. Alright. Now another bonus is how to make your images way more wide, so that's with Canva, and then you get access to Alessandro Zamboni's inner circle on Facebook. Alright, so that's that. Good sales page, to the point, no BS. Right guys, so as you can see, this is the members area. That's all it comes with. So you have two tutorials. The first one is 20 minutes. The second one, how to use Canva to make it more wide, is just 2 minutes long. The first one, well, Alessandro will go also through various platforms on how to upscale them. He will make some suggestions. He will even show you how to use a free version of Photoshop, a free one. Okay, it's called Photopea, I believe, if I remember well. For making some, not adjustments, but making some corrections, just in case AI didn't get it right. Sometimes it doesn't with nails or thumbs, okay, so you can correct that easily with these tools. And yeah, he will make some great recommendations as to what upscalers to use. I mean, the difference is just unbelievable from what Dall-e will give you and after it has been upscaled. So yeah, really worth using tools like that, those upscalers. Okay, but let me just click on this and show you in what kind of format you will receive these prompts. You can see you have the description here, you have and then that's your tutorial on how to use Dall-e free prompts for Bible coloring books. But I believe that's the same one that you have below these links here in the members area. So yes, as you can see, you've got the description here, the category like miracles of Jesus here, and the Dall-e prompt. So you just copy and paste from here basically, so not much to explain, but yeah, almost 500 prompts. And then that's your bonus. So that's the coloring books for adults, and you've got them here all put together nicely. And then that's here access to Alessandro Zamboni's inner circle on Facebook. And that's that, guys. That's that, in short. Now let's go back to my bonuses as well. So I've already discussed that I gave you this, which is PLR on top of that, course on how to sell creations on Etsy from A to Z, everything you need to know, okay, to set up your Etsy store. Every single detail, every step of the way is covered here. How to make money with Etsy. And then I'll also give you access to how to create and edit professional images with free version of Canva. That's a PLR as well, so you can use it. If you do affiliate marketing yourself, you can use this bonus and give it away, okay, which is pretty cool. And then another bonus is how to produce amazing AI images with Midjourney. I thought this bonus would go hand in hand with this product, since it's all to do with, this Alessandro Zamboni's product, all to do with graphics, right? So yeah. And then I also give you access to 2 brilliant training courses, short to the point, sweet and short, but so good, by Mark Has, vertical video training course, ultimate Facebook traffic trick, which is another source of traffic for you, because it covers YouTube shorts and very special kind of Facebook groups, which would be more like search engines, not your typical Facebook group. So you can set up a Facebook group around Bible coloring books, okay, and with the by following this course, you will know how to set things up to bring traffic, okay, targeted traffic to whatever you are trying to sell. All right, guys, so let's check out the funnel now. So front end will be $17, right? So that's all that I've just explained. And then OTO number 1 is a collection of 983 Dall-e free prompts for creating more Bible images for adults coloring books. It sells for $27. OTO number 2 is a collection of, 2052 Dall-e free prompts for adults coloring books. Offers 26 extra categories and 27 Amazon easy to rank keywords, which is great, okay, because those coloring books would be obviously great to sell on Amazon too. Apart from Etsy, Amazon is another go-to platform, another go-to marketplace, right, to sell those. And this upsell is $37. Then we have OTO number 3, collection of 265 Dall-e free prompts for coloring angels, okay, and cherubs. I think that's how you pronounce it. Not too sure. It sells for $37. All biblical related. Images, right? Coloring images. OTO number 4 is a collection of 2,375 Dall-e free prompts for coloring the life of Jesus. It sells for $47. Okay, so that's the full funnel, guys. Obviously very congruent with the front offer, with the front end of the product. So that's that. Okay, and again, that's the members area, and the sales page will be right below my review in the description box. And then also, if you pick it up from me, I know I am repeating myself, but I've got a bunch of very cool bonuses to offer that I give away if you purchase it via the link below my review in the description box. Alright guys, love you and leave you, and I shall see you very, very soon. Bye bye.